Hi, today we're going to take down bots and review light at M.A.D, M.A.D, bots, Cybud, Blowout. They combine the words cyborg and bud into Cybud. So Cybud, Blowout. Robots that voice out their quakes, realistic sounds and movement, berries included 12 to collect. So which bud will you catch? Catch the glow in the dark radioactive one, so there's 3 to collect. Spider, beetle, and scorpion. As you can see here, these are what the free is going to look like. There's always going to be free, but just 4 different colorations, like, teams type of things. So control room 1 is stealth, they're all black. Control room 2 is the radioactive, where they're going to be the blue ones that glow in the dark. Control room 3 is kind of the red and white ones, which I kind of hope I get a control room 3 beetle. That would be kind of cool. Or control room 4, the metallic, which is the black and gold metallic one. That would be kind of cool. As long as I get a beetle, any one of 2, 3, or 4, I'll be happy. Maybe with control room 1, but yeah. So to take batteries, the batteries are free LR44, which is a 1.5 volt battery. So yep, let's open it up and take a look at these. It says press then wait. So you have to wait for the timer to go off on them. Here's the little instruction sheet. Just how to do this, There's the button, there's the sticker that you have to peel off. Don't hit the button, pull the sticker and hit the button until you first pull the tab and then cut the little whipcord notch thing off. And then, peel the sticker and hit the button. Here's how you put the berries in all 3. And then here's all 3 bots: Spider, Sting, which is a scorpion, and then the beetle. Here's what a crate looks like. It says M.A.D bots on there. Kind of fun. The little button here almost looks like a little Autobot symbol. The shape of it just doesn't have the mouth or the eyes on here. There's this do not push sticker, battery tab, and a little thing that was supposed to cut off. So let's go ahead and cut them off. Now you don't know which one you're going to get in there, so it could be one of the 3, the beetle, the scorpion, or the spider. You do not know which one you're going to get in there until you take it out and you don't know what team it's going to be from. So now, let's try to peel the sticker off. How long do we have to wait? I heard probably like at least 11 seconds. So we got the Black Scorpion from the Stealth one, which is from number 1. So let's see if we could get. So from Control Room 1, we got the Stealth team, the Black Scorpion. Now, if you saw the other video, we had Control Room 4, the Metallic Spider. There is a difference of the on-off switch. With the Spider, it had a little on-off switch on the bottom here that you just flip on and off. With the Scorpion, it's the same activation button on top. Push this. Push it again. And I notice his tail does pop off, so do be aware of that. So the little tail does pop off. The tail is not the best tail in the world, but oh well. You can put them back inside the crate. Just make sure the wheels of what on the track here and these little notches there, which is a little bit hard to see on the black one, on the side. And then you can close the box. Of course, the box is going to flop open because there's no little tails on there. This little button on top is going to push down, which is going to turn on. This one's on and off switch. On the other one, it was their semi-second on switch, I guess you could call it that. But yeah, not that bad, not that bad. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of M.A.D bots. Sidebud Brightout. For the Scorpion or Sting from Control Room 1, the Stealth team. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, bye. Thanks.